Hello and welcome to JTG Systems. We are a cell phone repair shop located in Niagara, and we are here to help you with all of your cell phone repair needs. If you have a broken screen, water damage, or any other issues with your phone, we encourage you to stop by our shop to get a free estimate. Our team of skilled technicians is always willing to help and will do everything they can to get your phone back to working order as quickly as possible. We understand that your phone is an important part of your life and that you rely on it for a variety of things, so we strive to provide fast and efficient service to get you back up and running as soon as possible. In addition to cell phone repair, we also offer a variety of other services, including computer repair and accessory sales. So if you have any other tech issues, don't hesitate to stop by and see us. Thank you for considering JTG Systems for all of your cell phone repair needs. We look forward to seeing you soon and helping you get your phone back in working order.